The National Day of the United Arab Emirates is a celebration of unity, identity, and progress. Marked on December 2nd each year, it commemorates the UAE's unification. The National Day becomes a shared celebration, highlighting the harmony between the expatriates and the locals. As the nation embraces diversity, expatriates affectionately refer to the UAE as their second home. One place we always visit and celebrate such event is the Islamic Affairs and Charitable Activities Department. With all the love and support given here, we always feel at home. Together, we forge a collective destiny, exemplifying the spirit of coexistence and mutual respect that makes the United Arab Emirates a cherished second home for many. Happy 52nd National Day, United Arab Emirates!